Hi, I'm David from Avast, the #1 consumer cybersecurity company in the world, with 50 million users in the US alone. I'm here today to give you an insider's look at our latest online security product, Avast Omni. You may be wondering, why is online safety so important? It's because now we are connected more than ever. Consider all the devices you use on a daily basis that are connected to the internet. Smartphones, smart speakers and TVs, home cameras, maybe even smart light bulbs. The list goes on. None of these devices were designed with security in mind, which means they're easy to hack. Hackers can use your smart devices to access personal information or spy on you. Avast Omni is the accumulation of decades worth of technology and research, making it our most comprehensive online security solution yet. That might sound complicated, but it's actually quite simple to use. Avast Omni offers 3 levels of security. 1, it protects your home network and all devices connected to it. 2, it secures you on the go with our most powerful on-device security. And 3, it keeps your children safe, both online and off, with our parental controls. So you ordered Avast Omni, and this is what arrives at your doorstep. Let's take a closer look. Simplicity was really important to us when designing this product. You have an Avast Omni hub, a user guide, power cord, and an Ethernet cable. That's all you need. The Avast Omni hub is the hardware component of Avast Omni. It connects directly to a router and secures your home network and all devices connected to it. But don't worry, Avast Omni will not slow down your Wi-Fi connection. We intentionally designed the hub to blend into your home, making it small enough to fit easily next to your router. The Avast Omni hub is managed through the Avast Omni app, which lets you see who and what devices are connected to your home network. If there's any suspicious behavior detected, you'll be immediately notified. The Avast Omni app can be installed on both your computer and your mobile phone. In addition to managing your home network, it also allows you to set parental controls to keep your children safe. Your phone, computer, and tablets are all protected with our most powerful on-device security. Simply download the app and follow instructions to set up. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this sneak peek at our most powerful online security solution yet, Avast Omni.